I would say the biggest thing though is just more detail in like your actual job bullet points under each role, what you did with the specific technologies versus just having it in like a skills section. You want to make sure it's relevant to what you're applying for. So if you're applying to, a cloud engineer that needs, experience with Python and Lambda functions, like you should have, if you work with Python and Lambda functions in your last role, you should have it built out in a couple bullet points, like what you did with those specific things in the most recent 5 years, because that's what's most relevant. And then you can kind of summarize more on your, next 5 years. Description may not have exactly what is needed in there, but recruiters are talking to the actual hiring managers and they, give their hard requirements and what they need, and we can kind of coach you on what actually goes into a resume. Going to meetups and doing trainings and adding that into your resume, I think is going to be the biggest key in building a relationship with a recruiter who can tell your story to a hiring manager is the best things to do. If you're applying for new jobs, a lot of times recruiters or hiring managers will ask for references. If you already have LinkedIn recommendations, that'll, likely be a blanket recommendation for a lot of jobs that you're applying to as well. Reach out to that recruiter and ask about a specific job opening versus sitting back and waiting. Apex Systems, we're a nationwide company, so if you want a remote role, we have offices in every single metropolitan area, and likely, there's a company out there hiring remotely that, could be in, Denver, but I have access to it.